Hello everyone, welcome to MudSci. Today I will show you how you can create an ebook from a document. First is you can actually export this into a PDF. You just have to click file and then save as. But there's nothing special about that. Plus, the fact that this PDF is not interactive. So you have to think of a way on how the material could be interactive for the readers. And one way is to use HTML. Yes, you're right. You can code. So this is the code of that particular file. So I'm the one who made this one. And this is in HTML. I've made you several scripts like Ajax and conversion to PDF. So there's nothing special about the codes. Let's see the output. Okay, and you can tell for yourselves what is the difference between the two outputs. So I'm gonna go to my browser. Actually, it's here, and here is one of the versions that I've created. All right. So we see that the formula are somewhere here. Yeah. So here is the second version, and as you can see, there is a quiz right here. So what is the main difference between simple and compound interest? So let's just pick this one. All right, and we can check the answers. Okay, and the page checks if the response is correct or not. All right, so that is what I mean by being interactive. So students can try multiple times and see where they've gone wrong. So we can see the difference between the two outputs, and I wonder how I can export this output into a PDF, because as of the very moment, if I click Control Save, there's no option for me to save it as a PDF, but I want the format. Okay, so that's Control S, but if you click Control P, all right, so this is how it looks like. Well, I was able to get the entire format, but I think the colors for this part is missing. And you scroll down below, so you'll see this checkbox. If you click the checkbox, you'll see that the color will be added. This one, you can print all the pages you want, but still there's no option to save it as PDF. But nonetheless, you can print the entire document at will. If you have a WordPress site, you can just upload this HTML document to WordPress, and this can be seen by all of your students. So it will turn into a ebook. Yes, indeed it is. And you have to edit it time and time again so that you'll be adding content. So what I am doing is I'll create a Python program that will convert this to PDF with the same format that I can print it and disperse it to to all of my students without having to sign up and pay for WordPress. So we go to Visual Studio Code and write the Python code. Here it is, and it's done. It is making use of two modules. One is the PDF kit, so you can install that using the Python development environment or IDE, and also this module. Actually, this module somewhere here is not a Python module, but you have to install it in your computer, and Python will locate it in program files so that the code will work. All right, so here in this part, you have to get all of the codes of the HTML file, paste it here so that the program will treat it as a string, not a variable. And once pasted, all you have to do is run this. All right, so that's how simple it is. It's not a long code. I'll show you another method using the URL later. So, but for the meantime, let's try to run it. All right, so you see there's no error. So we go back to the root folder where it is located. So it's in users and this one. So we'll open it with Google because that's a simple PDF, and let's see the output. You will see that I am able, or we are able to export it in PDF form, however, not perfect because as you can see down below, the equations are not properly converted because these lines of codes are created using JavaScript, not JavaScript, I mean, but nonetheless, the format here, but nonetheless, we'll find a way on how to print it fully. I guess this is a much better option. So I guess that's the solution to what I've been looking for. Because if I can grab any let's say for example this one, the URL of this page, I can convert it to the PDF that I want. Although there are online solutions, but I think some of them are paid. But if I continue to develop this program, I think I can make it work 100%. We will also try this website. It's called PDF Simply. All right, so you can try this. So we're going to convert HTML to PDF. What I'm going to do is to uh, select a file from my folders. All right, let's go to C, to users, and here, and select add v2. Then open that. Okay, only in 3 steps. Yes, I know, we know. So let's close this. And there you go. And here is a much better output. Okay. You see the check boxes are here. So you can just print it away and let your student answer that. We will try the power of Simply PDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as HTML. There you go. And click save. I'm going to choose, it will be on my files. All right. So we'll open it. Okay, and we'll go back to the page, Simply PDF, and we'll select again. So it's on my, okay, and open. So this is what happened. Uh, all right, so he was able to copy the, but it doesn't have the pictures. I don't know why. Doesn't have the pictures. I hope it has pictures, but it has all the words that you need. All right. So maybe something is lacking in their program. So, but nonetheless, they have a lot of options here. You can add image at will. All right. So still, Simply PDF is a good offer. So overall, you have choices on how you can convert your materials to PDF. However, the interactiveness is not not added. Maybe as time goes by, we can develop an interactive PDF that will help users to interact and be creative, do an activity inside the document itself. So thank you for staying up with me. I will put all the things that I have used to create this program in the description links below. So be sure to check it out. So please consider subscribing to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. That will encourage me to do more videos like this. So thank you. And once again, this is Madsai signing out.